Hey guys, so thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to have a look at the TOZO NC3 wireless earbuds. Now these earbuds have a ton of features, including hybrid active noise canceling. Now I got to say with TOZO, I am impressed. They've been pretty consistent with releasing new products consistently and been hitting out the park each and every time. So hopefully they will continue to charge forward in that path. Now I just want to quickly cover some highlighted features for the TOZO NC3. Again, as I mentioned earlier, it has hybrid active noise canceling, including 6 mics for ENC clear calls. You can get up to 55 hours of playtime. There are 32 preset EQs via the free TOZO app. It has Bluetooth 5.3, is IPX8 rated water resistant, smart digital LCD as you can see here for the battery status, which we will have a closer look after we unbox it. Now I know earlier I mentioned that you can get up to 55 hours of playtime with the earbuds in the case, but it also has fast charging. So you can have these earbuds ready to go from a dead battery in an hour and a half with fast charging. So that's a nice feature to have, especially if you're in a rush. With that stated, let's have a closer look. Before we go any further, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it out, as it truly will be appreciated for my channel. Let's have a look at the back. This is obviously going to be touch sensitive, so no buttons. You just tap here to operate it. Look on the side. With that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Standard documentation, quick guide instructions, and it states here you can get 18 months warranty, which is really nice. Different ear tips, depending on the size of your ear canal, which is nice that you have several ones to choose from for your comfort. Type A to Type C charge cable. And here's the case for the earbud. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Here it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. You can see the earbuds. Pop it out. Of course, you got to remove this so it can start charging. Let's go ahead and peel this off. And again, you can see the little fingerprint icon. This is where you touch to operate it. Peel this off. You can drop it back in the case. And it goes in there magnetically, as you can see. And the case closes magnetically as well. Type C charge port at the bottom. Status button here. So if I press this, it gives you the battery status. And that's nice and bright. How cool is that? Now, I know I mentioned earlier about the 32 presets for the equalizer that you can get inside of the app. I won't go through the steps. Now, just like I mentioned earlier, there are 32 presets that you can choose from using the TOZO app. I won't go through the process here, but you can go ahead and check out that video right there. And it tells you how to use the app and how you can adjust the sound with the EQ options. But again, that is a nice addition. And let's have a closer look. As you can see, it's labeled R for right, L for left, company branding here. And again, you have these ear tips here. If it doesn't fit, you can take these off and use one of the extra ones that was provided that fits your ear canal. But they have a nice light weight to them. With that stated, what I'm going to do is go ahead and get these paired up, because once you remove the film or that adhesive sticker that's on here and you put them back in the case, they are ready to be paired with your mobile device. So I'm going to go ahead and get these paired up, jump right into my testing, see how they sound, see how they feel, make a couple phone calls, play some music tracks, watch a few videos, and do some gaming. And I'll let you know my thoughts. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to sum this up with one word. Fantastic. These are awesome, very comfortable to wear. The audio experience, in my opinion, you get premium audio quality with these earbuds. Again, you have all the different EQ presets that you can choose from, but for me, the default one works best. Regarding the vocals, they were super clear. The instruments that I was listening to, you can hear every little detail. The bass was booming for me. I mean, even beyond the sweet spot. So it was the cake with the extra icing and cherry at the top. These are awesome. If you purchase these, you will not regret it, and especially for the price. I watched some videos, like some movie trailers, and it really gets you into what you're watching. You can hear the effects, you can hear the bass, you can hear the vocals, everything that you're watching, it gives you that theater experience with these earbuds. I made a few phone calls and I sounded clear to them and they sounded clear to me as well. No issues at all with phone calls. The ANC feature also did an awesome job blocking out external noise. Also, the ENC feature worked very nice as well. And I also did some gaming, didn't experience any lagging. And again, the audio was spot on. So all in all, I definitely think these are a winner. Again, if you purchase this, you will not look back. These are amazing, and especially what you're getting for the price. Now, if you're interested in the TOZO NC3, please use the link in the description section of this video. But this completes my review for the TOZO NC3.